So I'm now going to demonstrate the correct moulding procedure. This is the second mould for a tin product. So this is suitable in this dough pieces case for an 800 gram loaf, and I have my 800 gram loaf tin here. The dough piece, we take, that's the nice clean side that we've moulded, it's not skinned, and we put that down on the table. We then press out the dough piece. We're trying to get a slightly oval shape. And what we then do to get our nice column that's going to go in our tin is we fold in our sides. Press down again. That way we get nice, clean, straight sides. We then are going to roll the dough piece up this way. So we start at the back, bringing the first little edge in, and then what we're going to do is use our thumbs to pick up the dough and roll so that the dough piece folds back on itself and this outside edge is tightened. Now we might need to squash this end element, so pick it up, use your thumbs to push in, and what we should have is a nice clean dough piece where we can then roll to push any air bubbles out of the side, and then we have this crease on the dough piece. We need to make sure that that dough piece and that crease goes into the bottom of the tin. Now, the process is exactly the same for a 400 gram loaf. So, nice clean side down, push out, sides in, and then using our thumbs, just adding slight bits of pressure as we roll the dough piece. Roll out, pushing outwards, and then the crease, again, make sure it goes into the bottom of the tin, like so. Now, if you're using or doing this on a commercial scale, you'll do your first initial mould, but then you would use the plant moulder, which will be in a separate demonstration.